That's President Trump's push to reshape the Supreme Court for decades. It's going to head now to Capitol Hill this morning, where his new nominee will meet with Republican leaders. The president called Brett Kavanaugh's credentials impeccable and unsurpassed when he announced the nomination in a primetime TV address last night. He also said Kavanaugh has a proven commitment to equal justice. Supporters of abortion rights protested against the pick last night outside the Supreme Court. Jan Crawford is on Capitol Hill with a look at the nominee and the next steps. Jan, good morning.
Well, good morning. So Judge Kavanaugh is going to be escorted by Vice President Pence when they come here later this morning. He is 53 years old. He is a former law clerk for Justice Kennedy, and he's considered a conservative intellectual powerhouse. And his nomination could give Republicans a chance to change the direction of the court for years to come.
This is the most important decision a president will make.
In a primetime address Monday, President Trump introduced Judge Brett Kavanaugh to the nation.
He is considered a judge's judge, a true thought leader among his peers.
Highly regarded on the federal appeals court, Kavanaugh has a clear conservative judicial philosophy.
A judge must be independent and must interpret the law, not make the law.
He was a favorite of the conservative legal establishment with his elite academic credentials, but with a regular guy persona who loves basketball and coaches his young daughter's teams.
Margaret loves sports, and she loves to read. Liza loves sports, and she loves to talk.
But now Kavanaugh must face Capitol Hill, where he'll find some old opponents.
Many of us have deep concerns about this nominee.
During his contentious 2006 confirmation hearing, Democrats targeted his record on President Bush's legal team in the 2000 election recount and the Kenneth Starr investigation that led to President Clinton's impeachment.
Impeachment and then conviction take into account more than just the facts.
Kavanaugh's past positions on presidential power may also become a focus, as special counsel Robert Mueller's ongoing Russia investigation hangs over the presidency. In a 2009 article, Kavanaugh argued we should not burden a sitting president with civil suits, criminal investigations, or criminal prosecution. But if the president does something dastardly, the impeachment process is available. Now, Democrats already are signaling they're going to make this fight about the future of abortion. And, you know, the issue, though, is that Republicans kind of have this narrow majority in the Senate. So there's very little that Democrats can do to block him. I mean, they squandered the use of the filibuster trying to block Justice Gorsuch. But let me tell you, they are still going to try to hammer him every chance that they get. Norah?
Jan, thank you so much.